Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me video, teaching my mom how to use like makeup brushes. Like she was so fond of using like her fingers to apply foundation all over her face, so I decided to do like a little like upgrade tutorial for her, so at least she knows how to use makeup brushes such as foundation brush, blending brushes and the rest of it. So guys, if you'd like to see how this whole tutorial thing goes on, then please keep on watching this video, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, and also give this video a thumbs up. You're not saying anything, you're just keeping quiet.
Yeah guys,
please subscribe to my channel.
Please subscribe. Subscribe
to my channel. So then let's just get right into the tutorial itself. So guys, to start up your makeup, of course, the first thing you want to do is you want to prime your skin, and you would actually need a makeup primer to do that. And we're going to be using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Foundation Primer. Bring your hand like that now. Just really can just not see the front of your hand, the back of your palm. Just put it there, and then you now use your finger. Use your finger, take it and then put it all over your face. Okay. Over your face.
What is the function of the primer?
Okay, the primer is supposed to help your makeup last all day. And then if you're someone that has an oily skin, the foundation, the primer in question you're using is one that controls oil. It's going to help keep your face matte all day. It just helps your makeup last longer. Unlike when you don't use a primer and then your face starts to get oily before like 2 or 3 hours. On to foundation. We'll be applying our foundation all over. You're not looking at the camera. We're applying our foundation all over our face right now. And she's using the Maybelline. Tell her the foundation you're using.
I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation.
In number 334.
Number 334.
While I'm using Ferrari Germany foundation, like 2 puffs of the foundation on my arm like this. Yours is too small, but either ways.
I will manage it.
You manage it. Okay. Yeah. Then next, you're using a foundation brush. The foundation brush is a brush like this, which is used for applying foundation. But this one is angled. Let's use this one that's flat. Okay. You're needing this foundation brush now to apply the foundation all over your face. I'm just going to take the foundation on my arms like this. Then I'll start to apply it all over my face. I'm just press it on. But then towards your hair area, try to apply very little. Try and focus on. Just go back to your foundation. You're amazing it too much.
Okay. Just lining.
Yeah,
I'm not a regular user of this.
So just get your foundation on your brush. Yeah. Then you focus on parts of your face you really want to cover. Yeah. And then another thing you can do is you can just quickly go with circular motion, just so that it makes it faster for you. Okay. Yeah. Okay, when you're applying your foundation, always extend your foundation to like your under. Like this part of
the neck.
Yeah, you can even extend it towards like your neck area. It'd be just so that it blends in well with your skin under. Oh, what are you doing?
Very lovely.
I don't know what you're doing with your back now. That's why I'm laughing.
As if something is moving on my back. Cover my face.
Like you really have to ensure that you really blend your foundation into your skin so that it just sits in.
I've learned how to apply foundation with brush. Before now, I'm used to applying my foundation with my finger.
Yeah, you just use her finger and then you just she doesn't even use. If I was to use apply my foundation with my finger, I'll just use 2 fingers just to do it. But she should use her whole hand like this.
Yeah,
and then she'll be applying the foundation all over her face. Like she's washing her face. So you see now, see your fancy brush, you're just blending it and
I love this blush. It's doing wonders.
So we're going to be highlighting our face, and I'm using the Eddy Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan, while she's using the Eddy Girl Pro Concealer in, what concealer are you using? Creamy Beige.
Creamy Beige,
yeah,
okay,
Creamy Beige. So now you want to apply the concealer under your eye area like this. Do the same thing. Just apply on your
the 2 sides.
Yeah, the 2 sides.
Yeah.
Just to cover out any of the under eye circles that are there. But I advise you always, apply it this way, yeah, so that you really get to get good coverage. So what you want to do now is you want to just start to press it into your skin. You know like I said, when you want full coverage, you just press it in.
Yeah.
You see what I'm doing? I'm just pressing it into your skin so that it covers up any of the dark circles in your under eye area. So I'm just pressing it onto your skin. You can see that? And I'm also just extending it to like the other parts of your face. You know? Yeah. So you need to do that for your other eye and other parts. Don't worry, your eyes are fine.
Oh my God, you're bad, man.
Mommy, please.
It's not easy to learn this work. This makeup artist, I give kudos to you people. Not a smart thing, no. Hey. Not a smart thing, no. I don't do makeup. I'm contouring, no.
Yeah, highlighting.
Okay, highlighting. My nose.
Let me see. You've not blended it well.
Hi guys, you can see that I'm doing my best.
Yeah, she's doing the most. Let me just go back and just highlight your nose. Yeah, for the nose highlights, I like to always use my finger. Look at what I do. I'll just use my finger and I just go straight, send it upward like this. So guys, now we're done highlighting our face. Then next we're going to be setting the highlighted parts of our face, and we're going to be using the Saka Buttercup setting powder to do that. So no, you won't use that brush. You'll be using this beauty blender sponge. You just take the powder onto the beauty blender like this, and then you just press it onto your under eye area, like just to kind of bake your face a bit. So do the same thing for all the parts of your face where you highlighted.
This is serious business.
Yeah, it is serious business. It's cooking business. They call this baking.
Okay, I'm baking my face
Yeah,
right now.
yeah,
I
she's
can
baking
see
her face.
doing the baking.
We are doing the baking, man. Baking business. So the essence of actually baking your face is just to ensure that your makeup lasts all day. It also helps.
Do I bake all the face?
Well,
everywhere?
you can actually bake the whole of your face, but then I wouldn't advise you to do that for long so that your face doesn't become too dry. The parts of your face that tend to get too oily are like the T-zone area. These are the parts of the face that really need like baking and all. You're enjoying this makeup. I swear you like makeup more than me.
I don't.
You don't.
I'm just learning.
You're just learning.
Now, after baking my face, I'm going to now use my Milano Medium 108.
Milani foundation.
Milani, not foundation.
It's Milani powder, sorry.
Milani
Milani powder,
powder.
yeah.
Now, after baking my face, I'm going to use Milani powder to do the all over.
Yeah,
make
to
it,
set all over.
set the hair, the face, and make it beautiful.
Yeah, so just, yeah. Just
Okay,
yeah, just set the part of the face that you didn't put that baking powder on, but try and just move quickly.
This is already looking shrink.
Who told you your face looks chic? Mommy, you're
Like-
beautiful.
Looking like a 60-year-old woman.
Come on, you look 30. I'm the one that looks old.
I want to look young.
Ah, my God.
I want to look young. Hi, guys. Look young. That's why I'm baking my face very well, covering all very well.
Wait, ladies, if my mom can be doing her makeup and she's even baking her face, you have no excuse. You have to bake it.
Yeah, so it's necessary.
You have to cake it until you make it.
Look good. Looking good is good business. Did I do it well?
Yeah, you did. Then next, you want to just dust off the powder on the highlighted part of your face. Yeah. See now everything just sits in well.
It's not easy.
Yeah, so next we're going to be contouring our
How
face.
much I'm going to pay for this? To send me this?
That's the text of you being my mom.
It's not easy. That is why makeup artists charge money to make the makeup. It's not an easy task. I can see.
So we just finished defining, snatching our cheeks. So next we'll move on to doing our brows.
Yeah,
Yeah, we're going to be doing our brows right now. So how many minutes does it take you to do your brows?
1 minute. But it doesn't
1
reach
minute.
me or what
1 minute. I
Sharp,
really.
Yes.
I need to learn how to do brows quickly from
Do
you.
I do that type?
Oh yeah, do
My
your
own
brows.
type.
Do your own type of brows. So like she's a specialist in eyebrows. Like if you want to get your brows fleet quickly in 1 minute, she's gonna get it done for you. But not your brush. Oh no. You're throwing this one away, I beg. No,
Okay,
it doesn't work. Yeah, use this one now. Sorry.
Okay.
Brush your hair. After brushing the hairs in place, then now you have to fill in the way you. In fact, I shouldn't be telling you. You know how to do it. Sorry.
How do you know I know how to do it? My own is a sharp one.
Your brows are always on fleek. I finished one brow. You already finished your own one brow too. What have you learned today?
I've learned so many things. How to contour my face.
How to contour your face?
Yes.
She has learned how to contour
How
her
to
face.
bake my face.
How to bake her face. Yeah, she's
How to apply
baking.
foundation using foundation brush.
Yes.
How to use concealer. In fact,
Then
this is
next,
my first time of using concealer.
Do you want to apply eyeliner? You want to just apply mascara?
It's mascara I want.
You don't want eyeliner?
Yes.
Okay. Look at what I'm doing. I'm just trying to ensure I just extend it out a bit.
Is it like cat eye?
So you know what cat eye is?
Yes.
For me, the bag though.
Oh my God.
Let me do the same thing with this one too. Okay. You can look at your eyes now.
Looking sexy.
Hell, she said her eyes is looking sexy. Please apply your mascara. Let me also apply my mascara.
Okay, I will do.
Wow, this mascara is really, really nice. And if you like to get this mascara, I actually said it on my store on Instagram, ENL Beauty Store. It's the volumizing mascara. Oh, just see how her lashes look very beautiful. Like she even has like falsies on. Meanwhile, it's just mascara. Just mascara. Open your eyes. You also have open your eyes. You also have to apply it to your bottom lashes too. So want to apply to your bottom lashes. And now look at your eyes. Your mirror. Can you see the difference between the one that has mascara and then the one without
Yeah,
it?
the difference is clear.
Yeah, they do the same thing for you. Yeah.
It's smelling lipstick.
Let me see. And then, do you know what highlighter is? Do you know
No.
what highlighter is?
No,
When you see my face shining, what do you think makes it shine?
I don't know.
This is highlighter. I like to use this one, but this one will be too dark for you, so you are going to use this one.
Oh,
If you want to
why
apply,
not
this is
side?
powder.
Okay.
When you want to highlight it, you just want to. Yeah. Just gonna go back and just. You also want to use a fan brush like this to apply highlights to your cheekbone area. So what you need to do is you get your fan brush like this, you dip it onto the highlighter which you like to use, and then you just apply it in your cheekbone area like this. Just to add that little glow, subtle glow to your face. But it's not really coming out the way I want it to, so I just want to just get the brush to be a bit wet. I go back into the highlights and I just put a little more. Let them see where you will still see your face now. Yeah. So you're going to need to do the same thing too. And look at where you're highlighting. You're highlighting your cheekbone area right here like this.
That place I put I highlighted it on this side.
No. Go like this. Look at where you want to highlight.
Okay. Am I getting it?
Yeah, you are.
Am I afraid that I will not get it?
Yeah, just know, when it comes to makeup, you have to really, be in control of the brush.
Okay, rub it. I wasn't rubbing it.
You just, play with your face.
Okay.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Well, that is not how you do it. Before you can spoil your makeup, you are busy doing as if you are trying to plant cassava on the floor. I'll dip it into the same highlighter. And then next, you want to highlight your pupil area. This is your pupil here. I just added that highlight to your pupil. You see now it has this subtle glow to it. Can you see it? I'm also going to highlight your brow bone area right here, just to get attention to your brow bone. What we want to do is to apply our lipstick.
Yeah.
So what lipstick are you going to be using?
Wine color.
You want to use wine color? Where is it? Yeah, you want to use the classic True Matte,
Yeah.
your lipstick that I used yesterday.
But before I do that, I would like to line my.
You like to line your lips? Okay, line your lips now.
I've been lining my lips. I'm gonna apply my lipstick.
Already like applied our lipstick. So you want to go back to your powder and just blend the whole of your face in this. Yeah. So you're gonna go back to that brush which you used in applying your powder.
Can't I use this one?
No, please don't use that one. You spoil everything that you've been putting on your
Okay.
faces.
Alright guys, I'm looking so good, so nice, looking
Yeah.
fresh, looking fine. You can see.
Wow. Let me just
blend.
release my hair. You blend.
Like a styling gel.
Gel, yeah. I always like to, get my hair like use too much gel.
No, I wanted it to dry. There's a design I wanted to make on it.
Which design?
Yeah, you can do that with styling comb.
Which design? Mommy, please.
I can teach them how to do that particular.
Alright, let me see the design you want to do.
I don't have a.
Is this the design you want to do?
No, it's that comb. When it dry, you can use it to mark. You draw it straight like this. It will make a mark along that line.
Which
There's
mark?
one-
Biko, please. Mommy, Biko, this is more than okay. You don't need the mark.
Okay. Oh, what an angel!
What an angel.
Mommy angel.
Mommy angel.
Can you
Oh, guys.
see?
Look at my mommy. Mommy angel. Please come back to the camera. You have to be focused here.
Yeah.
So guys, that's basically it for this video. I really hope you found this video helpful or probably hilarious. If you didn't find it helpful, I'm quite sure you'd have found this video very, very hilarious.
Yeah.
And yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Yeah. Give it a huge thumbs up. Look at the camera. Just give it the camera a side view. Give it your front view.
That's mommy.
Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Have a beautiful day and always remember to be bold and have courage. Bye.
Bye. I love you guys.
Yeah, mommy loves you.